Hey guys, got a Whirlpool Roper washer, and I've got an electric dryer that I'm going to show you next. But for now, on this washer, as if you were standing here in front of it testing it yourself, I'm going to show you real quick that everything on it works good. I've got a full load, heavy jeans and towels in there, and lid switch works. Obviously, lift it up, it stops. Agitator works great. You can hear it's got a very powerful agitation, and that's this guy here. It moves freely one way, not back the other way, and that's how you know it's working the way it's supposed to. It takes those clothes and agitates them. That's how your clothes actually get clean. If you were to spin this freely in both directions, you know it's not working, and you can hear it. That kicking sound is the agitator working properly. I get that question a lot, people who aren't used to agitators. So just got it on a basic load here. You can see it filled up with water just fine. So I'm going to show you that it drains like it's supposed to, and then when we get over to spin cycle, you'll be able to hear and see that it runs smooth and fast, and I'll show you, lift up the lid and you'll be able to see that spin cycle. So we will let it get over there to the spin cycle and we will come back to it. And it's going into the first rinse cycle right now. Sets for just a sec, and then it's going to kick and start draining. You can hear right at its drain too. The pump, the drain works perfectly. Just wanted you to be able to hear that, so we'll let it finish up there and come back for the spin. Okay, and it has made it over to the spin cycle. It's getting up and running. As you can see, it's got nice smooth operation. Sounds great. It's going through with just a final little rinse there, if you can hear that. Once it's done there, I'll lift the lid up. Now, you're not really supposed to lift the lid up and interrupt the spin cycles. Not considered safe, but there is a safety lid switch, and you'll see it'll shut it down. But I do that just so that you guys can see it is spinning nice and fast. And it's kind of important to know that lid switch works too. So there you go. Alright, we'll let that get back up to speed, spin the water out of those clothes. Then we'll move them over to the dryer and show you the dryer. Okay guys, and I've got those clothes moved over here to the dryer. You see it's got light works, nice clean. We're just gonna set this on time dry, high heat, hit go. As you can hear, it's nice and smooth. Sounds great. What I'm going to do is show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to be. So we got the surface temperature, whatever my laser sight shoots on there. So we'll go ahead and open this up. Shoot this inside. You can see nice and hot. The inside of your dryer. It's going to get anywhere from 95 to 195, just depends on what you have your heat setting on. And there are multiple heat settings here. One for delicates, which is nice. And then you just do high as well. And then we got the auto setting over here too, so you can just set it on auto high and just let it go. And it's good to go. So I do appreciate you taking the time to watch these videos. I do these so that you guys can see, as if you were standing here testing it out yourself. Everything works. You're going to spend your money, get it home, plug it in, and be good to go. So that's how I like to spend my money. So that's how I like to sell my stuff. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, have a great day. Thanks.